There's so many good things. It's that simple, right? We don't need to complicate this, people, right? We just make it very simple. Here's a scientific example. There was a study. This is one of my favorite studies. It's called the Bobo doll study. Has anyone ever heard of this? The Bobo doll study. Okay, so they brought kids into a room, and they said, here, play with these toys, right? And as they're playing with the toys, just one kid, in the other side of the room, they have a researcher, and they have, remember those things you could punch them, they were like blown up type of things, and I actually saw one guy made a fortune. You could put like your boss's face on that thing, like a Polaroid, am I right? So you could actually do that, or whoever, and you could punch it, right? So what would happen is the researcher would purposely get frustrated, okay, and just bang, 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 start punching the thing, okay? That's part A of the study. Then what they would do is they would take the kid into a different room and say, here are some other toys you can play with. And then about 2 or 3 minutes into it, they would come and take the toys away from the kid. Just take them away. And there was a Bobo doll in the corner. What do you think the kid did? Yes. He actually started acting out aggressively. Then they did the reverse, no Bobo doll. They bring the kids in, play with toys. Person gets frustrated, and the person says, all right, I'm going to work through this. They take the kid into the other room. They take away the toys. You can't have it. No Bobo doll. How do you think he reacts? What does he do? He works through it. My point with this is how you behave, everybody's watching. Especially if you're a leader in a company. You set the tone, right? So this was done with children and stuff, but the results cut across any age group. If I say to you, how are you doing today? And you go, ugh, and you bring the energy down, guess what's going to happen across the rest of the group? It keeps going down and down and down, right? As opposed to, how are you doing? People are watching. Everything you do, how you say, how you respond, it's like a mirror type thing. But it's actually a pretty interesting thing. The researchers didn't know what was going to happen. All of a sudden, 8-year-old kid gets up and just starts pounding away on these Bobo dolls. They're like, whoa, hold on. But on the flip side, when they didn't have aggression, they behaved a certain way. Okay, something to think about.